Even as the people of Delhi are choking and breathing toxic air, AQI is touching almost 999 every day, and Diwali is just round the corner. The Supreme Court of India yesterday clarified that its orders with regards to use of barium and other harmful chemicals, which is prohibited by the Supreme Court in 2021, applies to not only the National Capital Territory of Delhi but across the country. Very, very clearly, the Supreme Court explained that its direction that were passed in 2021, that the use of various chemicals, including barium, which are harmful for the nature and environment and for the people as well, should not be used in making of firecrackers, though the use of green crackers was actually allowed by the Supreme Court, that too at a time-bound manner. However, at this point of time, the National Capital Territory has a complete ban on firecrackers just because the pollution levels in the National Capital Territory are rising, and in fact the air in the National Capital Territory of Delhi is very, very toxic in nature, in fact touching severe categories on the AQI markers. Now, very, very categorically, the Supreme Court had in 2021 also stated that places where pollution levels are low, where pollution is not there also even green crackers would be allowed. No kind of barium or any harmful substances which could affect the environment or affect the air in the nature would be allowed to be used for making of firecrackers. In fact, the use of green crackers was also to be regulated by the authorities seeing the pollution levels in that particular area. Yesterday, the Supreme Court's clarification came on a petition seeking to ban firecrackers in the state of Rajasthan. The Supreme Court, in its order yesterday, very, very categorically stated that the 2021 order is very, very clear and no other directions needs to be passed, and exactly why the Supreme Court very, very clearly said that the 2021 order is something that is a lengthy one, has full details and applies to the whole country as well. Though there is no blanket ban on firecrackers, there are green crackers that are allowed, but the situation in the National Capital Territory is different because of the AQI markers touching a very high severe levels, and also the pollution level in the National Capital Territory of Delhi rising. Though many have said that this is a complete ban on firecrackers, but the legal position does not say so. Only use of green crackers is allowed. However, in the National Capital Territory of Delhi or the national capital, it is not allowed even the green crackers to be burst. In fact, the Supreme Court had also passed direction with regards to the noise and sound pollution, noise and light pollution that happens in fact during the season of Diwali, and to curb that, the Supreme Court passed extensive orders in the year of 2021. I am Ananya Bhatnagar with radio journalist Naveen Bansal for CNN News 18 from the National Capital.